Are you a passionate South African graduate ready to launch your tech career? Introducing the Zimele FutureTech Academy, where graduates become tomorrow's tech leaders. We're looking for sharp, driven, and ambitious young minds to join our paid 12-month intensive SAP training program. This is your chance to get hands-on experience, real-world exposure, and industry certification, all while building a future-proof career in the SAP ecosystem. To apply, you must be a South African citizen 30 or younger with no criminal record, be currently unemployed, and hold at least a bachelor's degree or NQF level 7 qualification. Have a strong interest in tech and ideally some knowledge of SAP. Be a confident communicator, problem solver, and tech savvy. Classes will take place in Cape Town, Centurion, or Durban. And yes, you'll need to be available to attend in person. The program begins in January 2026. Are you ready to commit to a full year of growth, challenge, and opportunity? At Zimele Technologies, we are committed to inclusivity, and preference will be given to candidates living with disabilities. Don't wait. Submit your application by 30th November 2025. Late or incomplete applications won't be considered. Email your CV, certified ID, and qualifications, academic transcripts, and references to recruitment@zimeletechnologies.com. Zimele FutureTech Academy. Your future in tech starts here.